In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect your phone microphone to OBS Studio. So if you're using Android or iPhone, you can just follow these steps to do it. First of all, go to your computer browser and open this website. And in this website, if you come to this Lipton menu, select download. And here we have to install this mic for our computer and for our phone. So you get this mic app for your Android, also for your iPhone. Just go to your Play Store and App Store, search for mic and install the mic. And then here we have to download this VC runtime redistributable file for our computer, and also we have to download mic installer for our Windows computer. So download these two files for your PC, then go to your downloads folder. Here you will find this mic installer and this VC file. Just go ahead and install these two files on your PC. Now launch the mic on your PC. So this is mic client. Now let's jump into our mobile device. So make sure your computer and your mobile are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Now on your mobile device, open the mic app, and here tap on Start at the bottom left, and here you get your mic Wi-Fi address. Now on your computer, click on Connections, click on Connect, and in this phone IP address box you have to add this Wi-Fi address, and then just click on Connect, and then your phone microphone will be connected with your mic client on your PC. Now don't exit this mic client on your PC. All you have to need, go to your OBS Studio, and here go to Settings. In Settings, select Audio, and under Global Audio Devices, click on Mic Auxiliary Audio, and here you get mic device. Select Microphone mic device and click on Apply and OK. And come to this audio mixer section, and here as you can see I've successfully added my microphone audio to my OBS Studio. So that's how you can actually do it. Now you can just go ahead and use your phone microphone to your OBS Studio easily.